JBRose. If you have newly subscribed, my name is JBRose, singing vegan mum. I'm a singer, I'm a vegan, I'm a mum. And at this moment, I have literally released a new single called Back to Love. It's out now. You can download it, you can stream it, and it's going really, really well. Now, before I carry on, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell. Every time I put up a new video, you know all about it. What do? Not only do I sing and I do songwriting, I do like to make healthy food, healthy vegan food, and today is no exception. But before I do that, did you know that I have a video that goes along with my single Back to Love? Here it is.
So many rainy days, I know I got bills to pay. Am I enough to make the cut and make things go away? Always seems to be constant moving. I'm on the go as if for show, but I'm just standing still. And all you gotta do is smile. Just take one step at a time. Look within, you'll see the signs, my love. And even if it takes a while, I know life can be your trial. You can take it to the other side where there's no more stress. Gotta get up now and bring it on back to love. Bring it on back now, gotta get up now. Bring it on back to no regrets. Shaking it off now and bring it on back to love. Bring it on back now, shaking it off now and bring it on back to love.
And before I even carry on, since the release of my single, I've just been getting pure love. It's unbelievable. I like to thank all the soul stations up and down the country who've been playing Back to Love constantly since its release last week on the 3rd of July. Thank you. All the DJs that hit me up and I've sent you little jingles. Any more jingles, I'll do them for you. Just DM me and I will do your jingles for you. I've been speaking to DJs in Brazil, in America. It's amazing. All over the world are starting to kind of hear about Back to Love. So anyway, I like to cook healthy food, healthy vegan food. So today is a short recipe, very small. It's a Caribbean recipe. Now, callaloo usually goes with saltfish in the Caribbean, but of course we're vegan, we don't do the saltfish bit. So what I've done is I replaced the saltfish with seaweed, nori seaweed, and it tastes just as good. It is absolutely beautiful. I want to offer new ideas for people who think vegan cookery is boring. So this is what I did, guys. This is what I did. recipe out, guys. It's absolutely simple. Now, before I go, lots of great things are happening. Also, I have reached 200 subscribers. Yeah, thank you so much. I'm actually 201 subscribers. Anybody new, thank you so much. Thank you for joining me. You don't have to be a vegan. If you just want to be healthy, then you're at the right place. So as I said, my single's just been out for 1 week. 1 week, just 1 week. We are #1 in the soul charts. Whoa. Once again, guys, thank you so much. Thank you to the DJs who are just pushing it. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And we are #7 in the urban charts. Thank you so much. So guys, please keep sharing my single. Please let everybody know about it. I haven't had a single up for a very long time and the love is just so wonderful. I hope you like my recipe. I hope you like this update on the single Back to Love. I will see you next time for healthy vegan recipes. I'm your girl, JBRose. See you next time.
No more stress, gotta get up now and bring it on back to love.